Alright, hello guys. Welcome back to Pete Train Productions. And welcome back to my DIY koi pond. Today I'm gonna try out this product. It's called D-Solv Oxy Pond Cleaner. So I just went to my local garden center and I got an advice from one of the ladies over there. Told me that I could use this one to kill the string algae. And it's not cheap, so 40 bucks for this 2-pound container. So see how it goes. I'm gonna try with my waterfalls right there. All right, as you can see there, I sprinkle on my waterfalls there. So I'm gonna leave for 15 minutes or 20 minutes there before I turn on the water. So I'm gonna do the same thing over there. Here. All right, 20 minutes is up. So I just turned back the pump on now, so the water gonna come up slowly. Yeah. I'm not sure what the time frame is, but it's up right now. Of course, it doesn't kill the algae instantly. I will check back a few days to see how it turns out. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing another treatment. So I'm going to turn up the waterfall and I'm going to sprinkle on the rocks around the pond and on the waterfalls. I'll try to sprinkle around the rock over here. Alright, as you can see, I have sprinkled the D-Solv Oxy Pond Cleaner on my waterfalls there and along the rocks. All over the place there. So that hopefully we'll get rid of some of the string algae. So now I have to wait for 20 minutes, then turn back the pump, and I'll keep an eye on it and see if it helps to reduce the string algae. It seems like it's working right now. Everything's bubbling up. along the rocks. Especially by the waterfalls there, so hopefully it will get rid of that big bundle of string algae. Oh, waterfall is back up and running. My whole pond is all bubbly now. This is after 20 minutes. All right, I'll come back for another treatment next week. So hopefully there'll be a noticeable improvement on the string algae reduction.